What's up everyone? So I am finally done wrapping the car. See a little bit of it behind me. We'll take a look at kind of an overall shot a little bit later, but overall, glad I did it. Would I do it anytime in the near future? I'm gonna try not to. So it works. In the meantime, gotta get the mud flaps on, front and rear. Picked up a set of Rally Armor, just generic, like their universal mud flaps. Not surprisingly, they don't make a kit for the R8, so hopefully using a lot of creativity, we can get the standard set to fit. Kind of going for a whole certain look here, so we'll see how that turns out. But it's super hot, so got some water, and let's get the mud flaps on and then we'll take a look at the car. Alright, to mount mud flap there, using wood block here. Definitely an R8 first.
How's it look?
It's threading, and that looks about right.
Yeah, placement looks about correct.
Alright, we're gonna have to stack some washers under this though, because I think I'm already bottoming out on the screw.
Can hardly even tell there's a wooden block in there.
Hey, so hope you enjoyed that little sequence I put together while it was still light out. Like I said, overall, super happy with the results. For the 400 or 450 bucks and like just maybe 2 weeks worth of my time or so, I think it came out really good. If it lasts me like even just a couple months, still totally worth the effort. Like I said at the beginning, glad I did it. Am I looking forward to doing it again on like a different car, like a future car or something anytime soon? Certainly not. It was definitely a big time sponge, time absorber. It used a lot of time. So yeah, still got to get the light bar and the roof rack on, or somehow figure out a way to wire the light bar. Light bar is gonna be bolted to the roof rack, so pretty much I can take that on and off pretty easily. Roof rack, I've pretty much finished making the mounts. you'll see once it's done, it's a system that it can be pretty much placed anywhere on the roof. So kind of excited about that. Welded it up myself, so when it fails, I'll know who to blame. But overall, in the shade right now because it's still very hot out. But thanks for watching, and see you in the next, and hopefully the car will start to look like it should look, at least to me. So thanks again, and see you in the next.